Thank you, Clean India Show, for bringing me on this platform. These guys have kind of set up almost 170 plus stalls here. Now this is amazing.
I think that also when I say it triggers, it means that it's a new avenue of business for us.
Clean India Show, it was really a great experience for me. This is a very good platform to exchange ideas.
This is the only platform where we can meet, exchange ideas, and see how we can build that relationship that goes a long way.
Talking in terms of the visibility and client networking which we get at this event is actually very good, because we actually get to meet the core people related to this industry and FM fraternity.